Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have the perfect accessory to make your umbrella experience this summer even better. So this is a set of 2 umbrella hooks from AMMSUN, and it's designed to be a secure place for you to hang your towel, your bag, anything that you want to keep out of the water, out of the sand, out of the way. I love how secure these are and how easy they are to attach to my umbrella. I primarily use my AMMSUN umbrella in my pool, and it gives a gorgeous amount of shade. And this added accessory is exactly what I needed to hold a variety of items safely out of the water. I love the fact that I can attach it and then adjust it to my needs if they change. And the fact that they included 2 has been really handy. They're small enough to take with you anywhere. I can just put this in the pocket of my umbrella case so it never gets lost. It's exactly where I need it to be. So if I take my umbrella to the beach or I take it to the park, I always have this handy hook with me so that I can place things off the ground and out of the way. I love the fact that it fits my AMMSUN umbrella so easily, and it also has an insert if I needed it to be a smaller diameter. So convenient, so simple, and yet I don't know how I lived without it. It's exactly what I needed to make my umbrella that much more enjoyable. And that is my point of view.